welcome back to another Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. This is for the April 2021 base Ipsy bag. Cute little burlap, abstract, jungly kind of theme we got going on here. Not sure if this way's up or this way's up. I'm assuming this way because it kind of looks like a pair of lips, but I don't even know for sure. But yeah, so that's the bag. Same on both sides. Kind of a rough cotton, almost burlap kind of feel, so. Okay. April 2021, Force of Nature. Whether you love your naked face, hashtag skincare is the... Every time, hold on. And then they hang up. It's literally just obnoxiousness. So let's try reading that again. Whether you love your naked face, hashtag skincare is the new foundation, or feel naked without your red lipstick, do what feels natural to you. When confidence is the first step in your routine, you can't be stopped. Hashtag Ipsy Force of Nature. We don't have info on the products. It's literally just, try these 5 skin-friendly superfoods. Eat your way to glowing skin. Oh, goodness. Number 1, for fine lines, grapes. The flesh and seeds of grapes contain resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant to fight wrinkle-causing oxidative stress. Bonus, a glass of red wine totally counts. Cool, I'm ahead of the game then. Number 2, for dry skin, avocados. Say yes to the Avo Toast. This nutritionally dense food... Trying that again. I swear the sleep deprivation's killing me. This nutritionally dense fruit contains loads of healthy oils and vitamins C and E to help hydration and improve your skin's barrier function. 3. For acne-prone skin, sweet potatoes. This root veggie contains vitamin A, the same ingredient used in retinol, to help control oil production, while beta-carotene counteracts inflammatory responses like acne. 4. For sensitive skin, chia seeds. Tiny seeds, major benefits. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, these tiny seeds help promote collagen production and strengthen your hair, nails, and skin. Number 5, for overall glow, leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and collard greens all contain a hefty amount of vitamin K and zinc, which can improve blood circulation, aka your glow, and even out tone. Cool. It just has an ad for the May Glam Bag X. So, alright. We're going to set that down. First thing that didn't fit in the bag, we have a couple sheet masks here. They're from Shermedic, and we have the Age Control Multivita, Vitamin C Derivative 114040312, and Vitamin B3 98920. Deeply penetrate to deliver brightening properties into dull skin to create a vital and bright complexion with translucent clarity. Misread the other one. I was like, wait. That's it from Inogen Labs. I'm like, the oxygen people? No, it says Neogen. Oh boy. Having a mom who's on oxygen kind of fucks up how you read things, apparently. And then the other one, since that was that one. Oh, we have this one, which is the Shermedic Vital Collagen one. Or Vitacollagen. Yeah, no, it's Vital Collagen. Hydrolyzed collagen 921133110 intensely firms, tightens, and revitalizes tired, sagging skin and boosts skin's resilience and elasticity while vitalizing hydrated skin to create a tightened... They typoed that. Tightened and supple complexion. They have tight end. I'm like... That's why it took me a second. I was like, wait, something's off. I was like, is it just me? No, they typoed that. That's okay. That's okay. I will still definitely enjoy using both of those. Let's set these in up here for now. That'll work. Okay. Next product. We have, boy, more from Oriza Beauty. Nude Shimmering Contour Eyeshadow. I swear I got a lot of these little 4-pan palettes from them. Let's see. Well... I mean, okay, I guess I can use them, but it's, like, not very inspiring looking. It's just, it's okay. I think all of these are colors I have from other brands, but that's okay. That's okay. I'll find a way to use them. It's cool. But I hate how flimsy the packaging always is on these. I always feel like this hinge is gonna break and snap off. It's so light. You can see light through it. like, I don't know if you can see how thin that is. Like, you can basically, it's almost translucent. It's so thin. It's ridiculous. And it doesn't even close very tightly, just, I don't know. I haven't yet brought myself to use one of the Oriza palettes that they keep sending, just mostly because I'm put off by how cheap it feels. I feel like if the packaging's that cheap, the product probably is too. But then again, the Bella Pierre Cosmetics, I keep coming back to that, so the packaging may not be everything, but it's usually not a great sign most of the time, so I am skeptical. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I feel gypped that this counts as one of my 5 items. I pay good money for my Ipsy. I could get one of these at the dollar store. It's a beauty blender. Yeah, it's by Koki Professional, but like, for real, it's just an egg-shaped beauty sponge. I mean, yeah, it feels like a marshmallow, that's always nice, but it's just a beauty blender. That is hella cheap. That's why I'm like, oh, okay, cool, I guess. I feel really gypped. Between that and the cheap-ass eyeshadow, I'm like, yeah, this feels so like they did not try. But at least I got this from Sugar, the Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick in number 28 Honey Rider, so that should be a pretty color. So if nothing else, at least this should be good. And then finally, from Milk Makeup, the Kush Mascara. So, just a little mini. Yes, it's totally the same one that I just got in one of those Sephora samplers, but that's okay. Between the two of them, maybe I have in like almost full-sized equivalent between the two. I don't know. Probably not real in reality, but still, I'm sure it's all fine and well and nice. Mascara is always useful. I'm not going to turn my nose up at mascara. So there's at least 2 things in here that didn't suck. Probably 3 if we count the masks. So the other 2 being, I guess it's okay. So, anyways, that's it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you'd like to become an Ipsy member, I always put my referral code in the Ipsy videos, so that's down below too. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. What did you get in your Ipsy April bags? Or just anything about anything, leave it down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support, I swear I can talk, and you'd like to help support and get your name on the end card for a month from the time of donating, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.